Hello everyone. So today let's see how we can run the Maven project in the IntelliJ. So in the previous session we have created this Maven project. So first step is to add some dependencies and some plugins in the pom.xml file. So plugins you need to add in the under the build tag under the plugins section. So you can have multiple plugins in the pom.xml file, and dependencies you need to add under the dependencies tag. Okay, so once you added dependency and plugins, I have added few sample test cases under src test java folder. In this test package we have two java classes, one is first test and another one is second test. So I have just added two sample test-ng methods which will only print some sample statement in the console. So first way to run this Maven project is to use the terminal section over here. You can see it here. So just click that terminal. So basically it will open the terminal from the project location itself. Okay. So first command I will use mun clean to clean the previous build if it is created in your project. So basically it will clean all the files from this target folder. So build success, and it has deleted the target folder. So now if I want to run all these test cases from test package, I will simply use mun clean test. Okay. So basically it will first clean the target folder, then it will compile the whatever Java classes we have in this test package, and then it will run the test cases, our test-ng test methods. Okay. So all 4 tests got executed and no failures. So another way to run this Maven project is by using the Maven section. So on the right hand side you will find some Maven section over here. Okay, so if you don't see that, you can just go to the view, go to the tool windows and select this Maven. So on right hand side you will get this option now. Okay, so under this my app you will have different Maven life cycles available here. So we have already seen in detail in Maven lifecycle we have different phases. So each Maven lifecycle consists of different phases. Okay, so this is the clean, then validate, compile, test, package, verify, install. So you can use this lifecycle to run this Maven project as well from this. So if I click on test, compile the test cases, and it will run the test cases also. Okay, so build success, total test run 4, no failures. Okay, so as per your choice you can use any option available from this life cycle. So another thing we can use here is to use the plugins available in the plugin section. So for running this Maven project I can use the Surefire plugin section, and if I want to use only compile the test cases, then I can use this compiler. Okay, so I will expand the Surefire and I will use this Surefire plugin :test. So test is nothing but the goal of your Maven command. Okay, so if I double click on this, it will compile and it will run the test cases. Okay, so this is the another way that we can use to run the Maven project. Okay, so if I want to run any specific Maven specific test-ng test method from the test package, I can simply go to that test-ng class and I can use this play button. So I can run any specific test-ng method from that test-ng class. Okay, if I click on run m1, it will only run the m1 method. Okay, and if I want to run all the methods from the first test, then I can use this run first test. So whatever test-ng methods available in that test-ng class, it will run both the methods. Okay, this time it has executed both the methods. So another way to do the same is to use this run tab. So click on run, and here also you will find to run the first test or second test options. So if I click on run first test, it will run both the test-ng methods from the first test-ng class. Okay, and here if I click on this run, it will ask which test-ng test you want to run. Okay, so there are different configuration we can do. So you can do it from here. Okay, and same we can do from this option as well. So here you will find the drop down. So this is nothing but editing the run configuration. Okay, so if I click on edit configuration, so if I want to run all the testng methods, whatever testng class available in the test package, then I will use test kind, that is all in package. Okay, so this is my run configuration name, that test package. So whatever testng class or testng methods available, it will run all those. Okay, and click on apply. Okay, so just click on run button now, and it will run all the testng methods available in all the testng classes available under this test package. So this is how you can use the different options available in the IntelliJ. So last option is to right click on your Maven project, then here you will find run all tests. So this will simply run all the testng methods now from this Maven project. And last option that we can use to run this Maven project is to convert it into the testng XML file first, and then we can run that testng XML file. So how we can convert it? Just right click on your Maven project and scroll down. Here you will get the option to create the testng XML file. So testng XML file has been created at the project location. So just reload the project, reload from disk. Okay, so here testng XML file is created. So just open the testng XML file. So for auto formatting, you can use Ctrl Alt and L in IntelliJ. So, okay. So by default, it has created the two classes. One is testPackage.firstTest and another class is testPackage.secondTest. So just right click on this testng XML file and run the testng XML file. So for this purpose, you must have the testng plugin installed in your IntelliJ. So I have already shown that how you can install the plugin if it is not available in the IntelliJ, okay, in the previous session. So these are the different ways by which we can run the Maven project in the IntelliJ. You can use the terminal, you can use any Maven command, you can run any Maven command from this terminal. Then you can use this Maven section by using the different life cycles, different plugins, we can run the Maven project. Okay, then going into the specific testng class, we can run the specific testng methods using this run, or we can run the all the testng method from all the testng classes as well. Here we have configured the different run configuration. So I have shown how we can create the run configuration, how we can edit it, and we can run this Maven project by using this run options as well. Okay, so try these things, create any sample Maven project and add some sample test cases and try to use all these options to run that Maven project. So let me know if you face any issue while running the Maven project in the IntelliJ. Thank you.